Hello, welcome to the lecture on Basic Civil Engineering Module 1 Introduction to Civil Engineering and Civil Engineering Material. Today in the lecture 5 we will be discussing about civil engineering materials such as bitumen, optical fibers, pipe, wires and cables. First of all, what is bitumen? Bitumen is formed from the distillation of crude oil. It is also known as asphalt in US. It has waterproofing and adhesive properties. Bitumen production through distillations removes lighter crude oils components such as gasoline, diesels, etc. etc. Types of bitumen. Here are some of the types of bitumen: asphalts, tar, and pitches. Asphalts is divided into sub two categories: natural deposits and petroleum asphalts. Here you can see petroleum asphalts is divided into some of the types: asphalt cement, cut brick, emulsion filled asphalt, blow asphalts. Properties of bitumen. Bitumen is an solid or semi-solid or liquid state, black and sticky in nature. We already are familiar with bitumens used in road construction. It melts and gets softened on the application of heat. It is a binder in all types of asphalts. It has low permeability and high insulation, so it is used in roads constructions. It oxidizes slowly, chemical inert and hydrophobic in nature. It is insoluble and highly resistive towards the water. Here you can see major use of bitumen are in road constructions, paving, or you can see it as a pavement, 85%. And roofing, it is also used. And for other use, it is where as 5%. Optical fiber. Optical fiber is a flexible, transparent fibers made by drawing glasses or plastics to a diameter slightly thicker than that of a human hair. You can see here the layers in the optical fibers. Type of optical fibers. Based on material it is classified: glass of plastic. Number of mode it is classified: single or multi-mode. Based on refractive index it is classified as step index fiber and graded index fiber. Properties of optical fibers. Greater capacity in unit Gbps or TBPS. Smaller size and lighter in weight. Low attenuation. Electromagnetic isolation not affected by external electromagnetic interface. Greater repeater spacing over hundreds of kilometers. Most important properties of communication are attenuation, light collection and propagation, fiber dispersion and mechanical strength. Nonlinear effect can be important in some of the cases. Here are some of the uses. Mainly it is used for communication purposes. Other uses are medical industries, defense industries, broadcasting, lighting and decoration, mechanical inspections, etc. Now I'll be talking about pipes. Many of us are familiar with pipes in our residential or any different building. We have already seen, and daily we are using different size and different pipes. Here are shown some of the figures of pipes of different material. Pipe is a tabular section or hollow cylinder usually, but not necessary, of circular cross section, used mainly to convey substance which can be flow. You can say it is liquid or a gaseous substance which can flow through one place to another. Here you can see the types of pipe: copper pipe, galvanized pipe, PVC, polyvinyl chloride pipe, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride, cross-linked polyethylene pipe, stainless steel pipe, cast iron pipe, polybutylene pipe, high density polypropylene pipe, black iron pipe. Here are some of the types of pipe. Properties of pipe: good strength, it should be good strength, easy to install, high flow capacity, long service life, cost effective, resist leaks. These are some of the properties of pipe. Uses: mainly it is used for plumbing and water transporting, irrigation, pipeline transporting gas or liquid, compressed air also it can be used. So pipe bombs, casing for concrete pipe piling, high temperature or high pressure manufacturing process. Here are some of the uses of pipes. I'll be talking about wires. Wire is a simple, usually cylindrical, flexible thread or rod of metal. You can see some of the pictures shown as a wire. Wire are used to bear mechanical loads or electrical telecommunication signals. Wire is commonly formed by drawing the metal through a hole in a die or drawn plate. You can see the wire of different colors are available. Type of wire. Here you can see some of the types of wires: building wire, twin building wire, TW building wire, pure flex, NM wire, flat code wire, speaker wire, royal code, automotive code, telephonic jacked wire, telephonic drove wire. So these are some of the types of wire. So now we will be talking about properties of wire. It should have good hardness, durability, conductor of heat and electricity, rigidity and malleability. Malleability means it can be converted from one shape to another, or you can convert the metal into a thin sheets. Use of wire: mainly electrical fittings. It is an important raw material for industries, for manufacturing of wire netting industries, springs, wire cloth making and wire rope spinning. So these are some of the uses of wire. Now I'll be talking about cable. Cable is an assembly of one or more wires. So assembly of one or more wires is said to be cable. You can see some of the cables, or you can see bundle of wire as a cable. Ribbon electric cable, shield cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optical cables. These are the types of cables. Properties: it should be highly resistive, high dielectric strength, low thermal coefficient, low water absorption, permittivity, influation, non-influation, chemical stability, high mechanical strength, high viscosity, capability to withstand strains, high voltage, high tensile strength and plasticity. Now I'll be talking about the uses of cable. Cable, you can see for electrical cables that is an extended use. Copper cables are widely used in electrical cables. You can see aluminum and copper cables are majorly used in any electrical wiring or any fittings. On industry segments, major one being mining, electronics, transportation and telecommunication it is used. So these cables are used to withstand extreme temperature and find application in sectors such as chemical plant, oil refineries, aviation, pharmaceutical companies, etc. Optical fiber cables are major used in the telecommunication and computer networks. So please remember, optical fibers are used in telecommunication and computer networks. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Meet you in next lecture. Bye.